Hey guys, and welcome back to week 7. So, I think it's week 7, yeah. All right. So, let's go ahead and take a look at what we have going on for this week here. So, today we're working on cross sections and angle relationships, which we're mostly just going to focus on your angle relationships. And that's going to be the HRW that's due on 5/21. Okay, so May 21st. That's the HRW that's due, and it's all based off of angle relationships. On Monday, there's going to be a YouTube video explaining, again, your exponent properties and scientific notation. So this is where we're going to kind of go from the Math 2 part to reviewing back to the pre-algebra part. You have an optional HRW 2.1. This is based off of your pre-algebra book. You have discussion number 5 on Wednesday. That's going to be over integer and exponent properties. So based off of everything that was in the video from Monday here, that's what you're going to have. And then on Thursday is when I'm going to have you guys kind of compile all of your discussions together. And we're going to go ahead and start turning in those discussion questions, the Google Doc. That is going to be an IB grade and a project grade. And that, again, is due by 5/21. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on your angle relationships, okay? So just a reminder about angle relationships. So there's 4 different types that we deal with. We deal with vertical angles, which you'll see are angles that share a vertex here. They're the same exact angle measurement, okay? Then you have your complementary angles. So those are 2 angles that add up to 90 degrees. You have your supplementary angles, which are angles that add up to 180 degrees. And then you have your adjacent angles, which are angles that share a side and a vertex, okay? So let's go ahead and name a pair of vertical angles, which there's the one that I already showed you. So we have AEB and DEF. You see how they share E right in the middle? And they're crossing, okay? These two have the same angle measurement. So that means that if I say that this one is 27 degrees, this one is also 27 degrees. Next, we go through our complementary angles. So a way that you can tell if something's complementary, so we see this straight line here, right? We see how this side forms a 90-degree angle because it tells us with this box. That means that the other side here also has to equal 90 degrees. So AEB and BEC